I'm back. So, again, you know, my grandma went to Miami these past 2 weeks, and she just got back yesterday. And she also brought back for my mom, and she usually brings back for like the whole family. Pate.
I have the Djon Djon.
Okay, my mom said she also has the Djon Djon, so I can show you the Djon Djon as well. But right now we're gonna talk about the pate, and that's not French pate as in liver, ground up liver, but pate.
It's a pastry.
And it's made with puff pastry and then any type of meat on the inside, either beef, chicken, or fish usually. What's wrong? And it can be spicy or not spicy. When I eat it, seriously, Aiden? When I eat it, I usually open up the middle. I eat the meat first because I really like the outside. Hush, little boy. And you can either drink it with coffee, or Haitians, they usually, when they have their pate, they either drink it with coffee or a hot chocolate, which is made actually out of pure hot chocolate, or hot chocolate, pure chocolate, or lemonade, or well, I just think it's weird to drink it with coffee or chocolate personally, but that's why I decided to name those. That's why my mom is eating it right now. She has the fish one. I don't personally like the fish. So anyways.
It's codfish.
Ugh, I hate codfish. Bacala?
Bacalao.
I hate codfish. Yes, Aiden. Okay, so I'm trying to, I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, so I open it like that. I make a mess when I eat it. And it is fish. I don't like the fish. So anyways, no. Is it spicy? Because usually whenever I have the fish ones, I always seem to be really pique, which means very spicy or hot. And it's pique because it's made with pickles. Pickles, right? So yeah. Stop, Aiden. You want some? Right. So just wanted to show you that. And it's pique? Yeah, see, they always do that. I hate codfish. Okay.
Hi, Mommy's friend.
Hi, Mommy's friend.
Hi.
Okay. Get down. Get down. That's dangerous. They can't see you. Get down.
They can't see me.
No.
Hey, just can break, okay?
Aiden. Alright, so I will come back. Add on to,
Bye-bye.
I'll add on to the end of this. What'd you say?
I got
Peace out tube. It's peace out YouTube. I didn't ask how old you were. She tried to take my. This is the good part. She trying to take it. You stay over there, woman. Anyways, like I said, I'll be back at the end to show y'all the dried Djon Djon. Say bye. Okay, as I promised you guys, this is the Djon Djon. This is what it looks like. It's in the bag. I'm not gonna undo it. Next time she makes it, I'll show it to you when it's not in the bag. But this is the black dried mushrooms. Okay. And then this is what she puts in water and lets it soak and then boils. And all that. Not dried. We saw it was already soaked, yeah. So that's what it looks like. Okay. Talk to you good people later. Bye.